Bitcoin fell below the $58,000 and is currently trading around the $57 when I'm making this video. Today I will discuss Bitcoin with you on several time frames, and I will look at some altcoins with you. We will have a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart and also on the 4-hour chart. And also the weekly chart is an interesting chart to look at. The altcoins I want to discuss with you are Chainlink, Polkadot, and the last altcoin I want to discuss with you is XRP. So let's dive right into the charts. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin has this beautiful run up and then a consolidation, which I was talking about yesterday already. And we can see Bitcoin is currently breaking down on the daily time frame. The thing what has to happen for today is that we are closing this daily candle inside the formation again to remain bullish, and then we can look for higher prices again. But if we see a break below this trend line support today, and we will close the candle where it is now, we will go visit some lower prices, because what I expect for Bitcoin then is that we are retesting the previous support as resistance, and then we come further back down. So keep in mind that we need to see a close from this daily candle in order to confirm which side we will go. Another daily chart is looking very bearish for Bitcoin. We can see on the top side we had some resistance, and on the downside we had some support, and currently we are falling below the support here. Yeah, it doesn't look very good, but the same here. If we close this Bitcoin daily candle above this support again, then we can remain bullish. And later tonight there is a FOMC meeting where of course the rate cut doesn't happen yet. So there will be no rate cut, but yeah, we have to wait for the speech for Jerome Powell and look if he is a little bit hawkish or dovish. And yeah, it all depends on this night. So if it's bullish for Bitcoin, maybe we can close the candle inside this formation again and remain bullish. But if we close it outside this formation, I expect a retest of the previous support to turn it into resistance, and then we have to aim for lower prices again. So yeah, keep in mind that that maybe the dump is not over yet. If we don't have a look at the shorter time frame, in this case the 4-hour time frame, we can see Bitcoin is making some touches on the top side formation, and that functions as resistance, and on the lower side support we can see multiple touch points already, and currently we are also making a touch at the lower side support. And yeah, of course what we want to see for this 4-hour candle, that we close it inside this formation and maybe bounce back up a little bit. But yeah, this could be the last support on the trendline support for Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. Yesterday the Bitcoin ETFs had an outflow of $161.6 million, and this was all because the Bitcoin ETFs just keep selling and BlackRock didn't buy any. Grayscale sold $93 million in Bitcoin, so this is huge. And yeah, of course the Hong Kong ETF didn't buy a lot yesterday, so they had a soft start, which I talked about yesterday already. And yeah, today we want to see BlackRock is going to buy again, because BlackRock has the buying pressure, and they bought a lot. They already bought more than $50 billion in Bitcoin, so that's the most for every Bitcoin ETF in the world. Yeah, we need to see some bullishness coming into the market, because otherwise we will visit very low prices again. And just like yesterday, I talked about the weekly chart for Bitcoin, and we are seeing that we are breaking below this 60k support level, and of course we are currently at $57,000. Yeah, what I expect for Bitcoin is that we might go to this support, and that it will be around the $56,000, and then we can maybe aim for support. But yeah, the week is not over yet, and we are in the middle of the week on Wednesday. So what can happen is we can close this weekly candle above this support, and that will be very bullish for Bitcoin, because if we close it above the $60,000, we can still aim for high prices, and then we just had a small backtest for Bitcoin. And what I then expect is that we are searching for high prices, aim for this resistance area, and from there we can either go to the downside again, or we can gain a level and break to the top side. So we have to be patient for this week, but yeah, the week is not over, and of course the first 3 days of the week have been very bearish, but yeah, we have to see what is coming from tonight during the FOMC meeting. So the first altcoin I want to discuss with you is XRP, Ripple, and we can see the Ripple has been in this huge consolidation phase since December 2021. So on the top side we can see multiple touch points that function as resistance, and on the downside we can see a lot of support coming into the market. But yeah, 4 weeks ago we broke the support, and I talked about it in my earlier videos, and then we retested this support as resistance, as you can see. So we came down, we retested this as resistance, and now we're coming a little bit down. So yeah, it doesn't look all too good for XRP, and yeah, we need to see that XRP is going to make a regain of this level, otherwise we have to aim for lower prices again. And yeah, of course, XRP is still the sleeping giant and hasn't moved really good in this bull market, in this pre-bull market stage. Yeah, so I expect XRP for the shorter time frame. I expect a little bit of downside, but of course, if Bitcoin will test a new all-time high or maybe gain a little bit more, then we can be a little bit more bullish on XRP. But still, in the long term, I think XRP is going to that $1 mark again, and yeah, that $1 will be around here. So that is also confluent with the top side of the formation, which is confluent with the breakout target of this consolidation pattern. The next altcoin I want to discuss with you is Chainlink. Chainlink has been in this run-up since the bear market lows. Then we saw a huge consolidation with resistance on the top side and support on the downside. And we broke the resistance on the top side, and then we made some regional highs around the $22 for Chainlink. And yeah, last week we broke the support and we fell down, and we came to this support area again. And currently we are again at this huge critical support, and we have to hold this support today. So if we break below, this will be considered very bearish, and then we can see the same price action for Bitcoin unfolding. So yeah, we might break down, come back up and retest the previous support as resistance, and then come further back down. But yeah, what we want to see today is that we are going to see a bounce from this level, retest it maybe again as support, and then come up again. Or we just come up from here again and then retest the previous resistance again. So these times are very critical for Chainlink. But yeah, also in the long term, I am a bull on Chainlink, and yeah, in the short term it looks a little bit bearish. But yeah, the times where everyone is bearish, you have to be bullish, and this could also be a very good place to accumulate more Chainlink. And then the last altcoin I want to discuss with you is Polkadot. Polkadot has seen a little bit of the same price action as Chainlink. We first saw a run up, then a huge consolidation, a breakout, and a run up again. After that, a huge consolidation, but then we broke below the support of the consolidation pattern, and we're currently at this huge support area for Polkadot. And just like Chainlink, we are at this make or break point. So yeah, also what we want to see here is a bounce from this support level, and if we break below this daily support, then we are going to see lower prices again. And of course, what I expect here is that we retest the previous support as resistance, and then we come further back down. So this is also make or break week for Polkadot. So on the shorter time frame, we have to look at this 4-hour pattern for Bitcoin. And yeah, what I was saying, we have to see a bounce from this level, otherwise we are going to visit lower prices. And on the daily chart, we have to close this candle inside of this formation to remain bullish. But yeah, we have to keep an eye out for tonight's FOMC meeting. So yeah, this was it for today. Don't forget to follow me on X, and also don't forget to like and comment on this video, and subscribe on your way out. You can also join my free Telegram group, which you can see here. I will post more about Bitcoin in depth there. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.